हिंदी में बोलते हैं चांदी का चम्मच लेके पैदा होना।
Mhm.
तो इसका है स्पून दिखाने के और खाने के और। हैव यू हर्ड दिस idiom? Anya, and I'm joining you from Rajasthan. I'm a homemaker and I have a daughter also. That's all about me. And if I
Yeah,
talk
that's
about
great.
my hobbies, so whenever I get time, that time I am consuming my time watching some good movies. And recently I finished a movie named Shrikant.
Wow, great.
It's a good movie. Yes, inspirational movie also we can say. That's all
Okay.
about me.
Yeah, by the way, I love to watch South Indian.
It's not South Indian movie. It's a Bollywood movie, and it is the story of blind person, and it's a real life story of there is a person Shrikant who was
Okay.
blind person. So in
Okay.
this movie, Rajkumar Rao is the actor. Good
Oh,
movie. Yes.
yeah, yeah. I'm talking about my interests. I prefer myself to watching South Indian movie because I'm
Okay.
having genuine story. It's a
Mm-hmm.
really matters a lot. If you watch real life character, it's a really
Mm-hmm.
great experience you on. Right.
So who is your favorite actor in South cinema?
Favorite actor? Allu Arjun.
Okay. And favorite actress?
Favorite actress? I forget the name.
Sai Pallavi और काजल
Mm,
अग्रवाल.
Pooja Hegde.
पूजा हेगड़े. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. She's beautiful. Yes. Mm. Okay. Now I'm asking you. I'm giving you one situation, or you can say today's topic. If you are a health minister of your state, suppose you are a health minister of your state, then what would be your priorities in your area? And you have
Yeah.
full, support. You have full powers also.
Yeah. My first priority to take caring all the citizen of my society. First,
Mm-hmm.
I would like to be observing the exact condition of all of the citizens. How is their health, right? And obviously, I would like to establishing some institute for free at course. They can in a treatment there. Okay. And yeah, by responding all of the citizen equally, it would be really good manner for all the citizens. And if you are having the willpower, so you should be use better use of your power to solving the citizens. This is a good manner
Mm-hmm.
according to me. So
And what
there are
would you
many
do
things.
for the senior citizen?
Senior citizens like first should be establishing some like what I say like term and condition. Like there
Hmm.
is no discriminations between the lower and higher. Equally, I will be treating equally all of them, and equally
Okay.
have been getting the proper solving from my institute.
Hmm.
These are things I would like
Yeah.
to do.
Okay. Uh, you can ask any question to me. Do we have any
Yeah,
question?
okay. Yeah, yeah, of course. So it's been a very long time we again met, ma'am. So I'm very curious. So what kinds of a strategy do you invented for your communication skills? Can
Mm-hmm.
I know?
I have only opted one strategy. I'm doing only just video conversation. That is my strategy. And if my co-learner is, sometimes they are very knowledgeable person. If they are, telling me some idiom phrases, some good vocabulary also. After the session, I repeat all these words.
Wow,
That is my strategy. Yes.
that's a great.
And
And
right now, I have
nowadays,
started one session, one other thing also. In every video, my co-learner, if they want, they can share good vocabulary, idiom also. And I'm also sharing some idioms.
yeah, yeah, that is the way of increasing your knowledge. It's a great
Hmm.
way. Yeah. And
Hmm.
what kinds of book do you prefer nowadays?
I'm only reading academic books of my daughter right now.
Okay. In which class your daughter has study?
She's in sixth standard. Sixth standard.
Mm. Yeah,
Hmm.
many of time, I also would like to prefer these are books of five standard, four standard English books to read out, having knowledge,
Hmm.
vocabulary.
Hmm.
It will be
Because
giving
these
us
books are
a
up to
tremendous
date.
feeling.
These books are always up to date books, so we can
Mm,
read.
yeah, of
And
course.
what different efforts you are putting in your videos every day? How many sessions do you take in a whole day?
Yeah, basically one, yeah, even more two sessions. It would be enough for me because I have to maintain my energy level also, na? Right?
Yes.
Yeah,
For
and
speaking, we also need some energy.
yeah, because while connecting with any person, you have to give your whole energy, right? And
Hmm.
concentrate to just creating well sentence, appropriate sentence, relatively of the situations. So your more effort will be there, no? Or as well as your
Hmm.
energy will be also there. So that's why.
Hmm. Okay, so now I'm sharing some idioms with you. Are you ready for it?
But before I want to clear, I don't have any idea about
No,
idioms,
no,
having
no. I'm
phrases.
just sharing. I'm just sharing. I'm not asking to you. I'm just
Okay.
sharing with
Yeah, yeah.
meanings because I
Okay.
know we are not prepared for the random session. I know.
Mm.
Okay. My first idiom is born with purple, I think. Born with purple. It means when we born into a royal family or a noble family. That time we can
Okay.
use this idiom. Second idiom
Mm.
is right now I'm forget the idiom. Silver spoon. Born with a silver spoon. Yes, born with a silver spoon in one's mouth.
Okay. Great,
चांदी का
man.
चम्मच लेके पैदा जाना. Who are already privileged. And
Mm.
third idiom is gray area.
Mm-hmm.
Gray area means like there are no, there are some laws who are not applied in some areas, like drone activities. Drone
Mm-hmm.
activities right now there are some countries there are no law for drone.
Okay.
And fourth is tickled as pink. It
Mm-hmm.
means when we are feeling very happy or elated.
Yeah, man. Great. Very useful. Have you
Yes.
given me these kinds of idioms?
And next one is cut the mustard.
Mm-hmm.
It means when we are expecting like we will get good marks, but we are not getting up to the mark. Like I am hoping
Yeah.
like 90% I will get, but I am getting only 70%.
Mm.
That time we can use this idiom.
Okay. So,
Yes.
ma'am, have you ever used these kinds of idiom in your conversation?
Sometime I am using.
But
But
the
yes,
problem is
right.
that,
But problem is that because it's a new thing for me, so sometimes it is difficult for me. But yes, I am practicing. I am always practicing use this idioms.
yeah, it's good, but the other people also not able to understanding, right?
They
It
can
this is
understand
the
because
biggest
I am also telling the meaning. They can also understand because for
problem.
the beginner, simple English is I think enough. But if you want to become a trainer or a speaker, and if you like, there are some person who are preparing for IELTS exam, TOEFL exam. That time it is very useful.
Mm, you're right.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. So you want to become expert, right? Tutor.
No, I don't want to become expert, but yes, every person want to become a good speaker.
Mm, you're right.
And if we
I'm
are
also.
getting a good opportunity, if we are getting a good opportunity, I think there is no harm to utilize that opportunity. We should
Of
take it.
course. Yeah, yeah, you're right. Yeah,
Yes.
little bit I have known like some of phrasal verbs like a piece of cake, right?
Piece of cake, it's a very easy work. It is
Mm,
just a piece of cake for me. Cup of tea, it's mean this is very easy work for me. It's not cup of my tea, means it is very difficult for me.
mm.
That's it.
Rest of month, rest of time.
So tell me the meaning.
Yeah, like remaining times,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm. Yes. So in this way,
Yeah,
we can enhance our vocabulary and we can spread some knowledge also. Because again and again, if we are doing just conversation, sometimes it looks boring.
of course, you're right. So let's sharing some vocabulary to each other, right? So I'm telling you the one vocabulary accumulating. That is mean
Hmm.
gathering
Mm-hmm.
anything else.
Okay, now I am sharing one word, flamboyant. Flamboyant means
Okay.
who is very attractive for their stylishness.
Wow, that's a great. Okay,
Yes.
the now is the one is that seduction.
Reduction.
Seduction. Yeah, that is mean greedy person.
Okay. Okay. And do you know frugal?
Frugals.
Frugal.
No,
Frugal. Frugal.
no.
Frugal means who is miser.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Who don't want to spend some money. That type of person called frugal.
Okay. And so, okay, another words, folk. That is mean as a community of member, the big community of member. Folk, Jhund,
Okay. Flock means group. Okay.
mm, group.
Yes. Next one.
Next one, mm,
Mm-hmm.
cozy, cozy,
Cozy means comfy.
comfortable.
Yes, comfy. In short way, we can say comfy.
Mm. Another is that adamant, very arrogant
Adamant.
person, stubborn,
Yes. Stubborn. Jiddi. Am I right?
psycho
Jiddi.
fancy, psycho fancy,
Psycho.
fancy,
Hmm. Psycho
chaploosi karna.
fancy.
Yeah,
Okay. And
like
next one.
kidding, yeah,
Hmm.
teasing over someone.
Hmm. Hmm. And I today I have um today I was reading a idiom.
Mm. No, first time
Hmm.
I heard.
Okay, next अंधों में काना सरदार. सुना है ये idiom in Hindi. In the land of blind, one-eyed person is king.
Yeah, that's great, ma'am.
So now I think we have discussed so many things like idioms, good vocabulary also. Now the time is, I think we should wrap up this session.
Yeah, yeah, of course. That's a great conversation with you, ma'am, ever. And you always looking very energetic. So I'm really glad to having conversation
Because
with you.
today my four session has been cancelled one by one.
Oh,
There are some
it's a very
network
bad.
issue. That is the reason.
Okay, it's okay.